All right, George Jamie Sports Cards. Here we're doing 2014 Museum Football. Good luck, guys. We're doing this one divisional. This one picked for us by NY Fan Cam. Good luck, guys. Box number 1. And a redemption. Yep, redemption. You got Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. Andre Johnson. Arian Foster. Redemption. Can't remember who's redemption in this. It's been a while. Where it is. This. Signature swatches, dual relic, emerald, green. That'd be some nice patches in that. Of AJ McCarron for the Bengals. Bengals, AFC North. AFC North is Trout Kershaw, green. Not bad. You got Copper, Charles Sims for the Bucks, Jordan Matthews, Andrew Luck, Joe Namath, number to 150 for the Bucks, Austin Safarian Jenkins to 150. It's NFC South and NY Fan Cam, 76 of 150 for the Bucks. This one's a little thicker. You got AJ Green, Le'Veon Bell, Dan Marino, AJ McCarron, and on the back here, looks like a patch. For the Bucks, nice little patch, Safarian Jenkins, 10 of 25. 4-color patch. It's NFC South again for NY Fan Cam. 10 of 25. And last box, good luck, guys. This one's another thick one as well. Yeah, Terrence West for the Browns. Marcus Allen, Sammy Watkins, Carlos Hyde. And looks like we got the quad. So 150 for the Chiefs. Aaron Murray, 1 color, 2 color, and 1 color. NFC West. That's NY Fan Cam. 38 to 150. How's the break, guys? Appreciate it again. Boston Museum.